Hi everyone, so today we have something for the tech savvy followers that we have here on page. So do you ever see a plant and wonder what it is? Or would you want to have a plant expert, a botany expert with you on a personal call who helps you identify any disease that your plant is going through or anything that you want to ask him or her? So we have a plant identifier app for you which is called Nature ID. I personally have been using this app for quite a long time, and I feel for a rookie or somebody who is really into plants and who wants to understand more about plants should use this app. So if you want to identify any plant, that for example this plant, I'll just click a picture of this one. So this one is a golden pothos. It is clearly telling you that it's an air purifying plant. It's easy. It is pet toxic, not good for pets. It's a tall and trendy plant. It's quite trendy on Instagram. So this is basically showing that how the plant health is. So hooray, it is showing that my plant is healthy. I can still ask the experts if I need to water it properly or any manuring needs to be done, anything. So a lot of features are there which is there in free app. Of course, there is a premium feature where you can diagnose a problem and you can also speak to the plant expert on the app. I think it's really good and highly recommend.